Silver fiber revolution is associated to? Answer is A. Cotton. The name of UTI Bank was changed to Dash in 2007. Answer is C. Axis Bank. In which field Saraswati Samman Award is given? Answer is B. Literature. Gir National Park is situated in? Answer is C. Gujarat. Pin Valley National Park is situated in? Answer is C. Himachal Pradesh. When was the Indian national flag adopted? Answer is A. 22nd July 1947. Who designed the Indian national flag? Answer is D. Pingali Venkaya. Who gave the slogan Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan? Answer is C. Lal Bahadur Shastri. Muga silk is associated to which of the following states of India? Answer is A. Assam. In which Indian state is the Lai Haroba festival celebrated? Answer is C. Manipur. The Lohri festival is mainly related to which state? Answer is A. Punjab. Which is the smallest union territory in India? Answer is A. Lakshadweep. Which is the smallest river in India? Answer is D. Arvari River. Which is the smallest states in India? Answer is B. Goa. Which was the first Indian satellite? Answer is D. Aryabhata. Who was the first chairman of ISRO? Answer is C. Vikram Sarabhai. Which continent has the highest number of countries? Answer is Africa. Which river is known as the Sorrow of Bengal? Answer is B. Damodar. Which river is known as the lifeline of Assam? Answer is A. Brahmaputra River. Who was the first Indian to receive a Nobel Prize? Answer is C. Rabindranath Tagore. Who is referred to as the first citizen of India? Answer is A. President of India. Who is the first president of India? Answer is A. Rajendra Prasad. Who is the first woman president of India? Answer is D. Pratibha Patel. Which era in Indian history is called the Golden Age? Answer is B. Gupta era. Who is known as the Philosopher King? Answer is A. Ashoka. Which is considered as India's last golden age? Answer is C. Mughal dynasty. In which year did women first participate at the Olympic Game? Answer is B. 1900. Which country has won the most Olympic gold medals? Answer is D. USA. Which athlete has won the most Olympic gold medal? Answer is B. Michael Phelps. How often are the Olympic Games held? Answer is C. Every 4 years. Kuchipudi is the classical dance of which state? Answer is B. Andhra Pradesh. Notanki is the folk dance of which state? Answer is D. Uttar Pradesh. Odissi is the classical dance of which state? Answer is C. Odisha. Who is known as the father of history? Answer is C. Herodotus. Who is known as the father of civil service in India? Answer is A. Charles Cornwallis. The Nanda Devi Peak is situated in? Answer is A. Uttarakhand. Silent Valley National Park is located in? Answer is B. Kerala. Who was the first Speaker of the Lok Sabha? Answer is D. G.V. Mavalankar. Who was the first Prime Minister to resign before completing his term? Answer is B. Morarji Desai. Who was the first woman judge of the Supreme Court? Answer is A. Justice M. Fatima Bibi.